check mic. O sige, baka mag-English ako kasi di nyo maintindihan kung mag-Norwegian ako eh. Yo. We're not like the other ones, we got them all, the check is undeniable. Your rappers are what we master, the crack of the gift, the gap, the ones who don't wanna try though. Listen, when it comes to rapping, I don't think you got it, I just keep it real. Then I wanna give the people something they can feel. Independent artists in the area of a lot of ass kissing. Fuck a leg, step over the line, there's another ass missing madness. And we're looking at everybody in the game like a mannerisms. And they call it cannibalism because of the way you be eating every competitor for dinner. I'm a hell of a sinner, me finish it faster than a border cold fix. You go call me yourself, be a killer. See, that's how it goes. So many MCs get to rap with the pros. Slock and Glock 90 now, Mr. Blaze, let's get it, what's happening, bros? Ain't nothing changed for the see who I'm blazing with tonight. It's Motor Philippines and a gun 9999. Yeah, taking for a ride. Listen to me, it's what I worldwide. Nandito na naman kami sa labas na FlipTop. Tangin na di ako marunong mag-freestyle, pero ang pangalan ko si Dinal. And my style, yeah, I be wild. Motherfucker, I'm gonna see you smile in your motherfucking face. Listen to me when I'm running the race. Everybody you can never replace me, motherfucker, I'm all up in the place. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Yo, I'm hanging out with the Team Waray crew. What you gonna do? Yeah, I'm sick like the flu. Ow. Yeah. Oh, big ups. And Waray worldwide, I got on gang. Region 808, Motugs, Philippines, you know what it is. Peace out, bro.
Maraming salamat. At yun, ispata pa natin yung mga rapper na mag-i-spit sa dala-dala natin beat, man. Yeah, let's go.